Most people think studying in Europe is only for students with perfect grades, perfect finances, or perfect connections. They imagine elite universities, impossible entry requirements, and a system designed to reject them before they even apply. And because of that belief, they never even try Austria. But here's the surprising truth in 2026. Austria has quietly become one of the most underrated study destinations in Europe for international students. High-quality education, affordable tuition compared to Western Europe, and surprisingly accessible admission pathways for motivated students. But here's what most people miss. Austria is not just a place to study. It is a gateway into the European job market, research networks, and long-term residency opportunities. And if you understand how the system works, you can position yourself far ahead of thousands of applicants who are still stuck thinking it's too difficult. Let me tell you a story. Michael, a 23-year-old student from California, always dreamed of studying abroad. But every option felt overwhelming. UK was expensive. Canada was competitive. Australia felt far away. And Europe felt confusing. So he almost gave up. Then one night, he discovered Austria. At first, he ignored it. He thought it was only for engineering geniuses or German-speaking students. But then, he looked deeper. And what he found changed everything. English-taught programs, affordable public universities, and a strong international student support system. 6 months later, Michael was preparing to move to Vienna. And his entire academic path shifted. So what did he understand that most students miss? That's exactly what we are going to break down today. Because this is not just a study guide. This is a complete breakdown of how studying in Austria actually works in 2026. But here's the problem. Most students assume Austria is complicated. They assume language is a barrier. They assume costs are high. And they assume admission is extremely strict. But the reality is more flexible than most people realize. So let's start from the beginning. Why choose Austria in 2026? Austria offers a unique combination of high-quality education, affordable tuition fees, Central European location, and strong student mobility across Europe. But here's the surprising truth. Austria is one of the few European countries where public university tuition can be significantly lower than expected for international students. Now let's break down the top universities and opportunities. And more importantly, how students actually succeed in entering them. Let's begin with the University of Vienna, one of the oldest and most prestigious universities in Europe, located in the heart of Vienna, strong in humanities, social sciences, and research programs. Michael initially targeted this university. But here's what he discovered. Admission is not just about grades. It is about eligibility alignment. Meaning your previous education must match your chosen program. Now, let's move to Vienna University of Technology, also known as TU Wien, a top institution for engineering, computer science, and technology. And here's the insight most students miss. Technical universities in Austria prioritize structured academic backgrounds. So, preparation matters. Now, number 3. Graz University of Technology. Strong in engineering and applied sciences. More flexible than many students expect. And here's the surprising truth. Smaller cities like Graz often provide better student integration than major capitals. Now, number 4. University of Innsbruck. Known for research and natural sciences. Located in a beautiful alpine region. Michael considered this university because of its lifestyle appeal. But here's the catch. Living costs vary significantly depending on location. Now, number 5. Johannes Kepler University, Linz. Strong in business, law, and engineering. Highly international, student-friendly. And here's what makes it unique. It combines academic structure with modern industry connections. Now let's zoom out. Because universities are only one part of the system. The real key is understanding Austria's education structure. First, public universities. These are highly affordable and academically rigorous. Second, universities of applied sciences. More practical and industry-oriented. Third, private universities. More flexible but higher tuition costs. Now let's talk about eligibility. This is where most students make mistakes. Michael almost made one. He assumed any high school diploma was enough. But Austria requires academic equivalency, meaning your previous studies must match Austrian standards. Now, let's talk about language requirements. Here's the surprising truth. Not all programs require German. Many master's programs are taught entirely in English. But here's the catch. Daily life often requires basic German understanding. So students who learn even beginner German adapt much faster. Now, let's talk about tuition and costs. Public universities in Austria are generally affordable compared to countries like the UK or US. But living expenses in cities like Vienna can be higher. So, budgeting becomes essential. Michael initially underestimated this. But he adjusted quickly by planning monthly expenses carefully. Now let's talk about scholarships. Austria offers several funding options for international students. Government programs, debt, university grants, and research-based scholarships. But here's the truth most students miss. Scholarships are competitive, but not impossible. Strong motivation letters and academic consistency matter more than perfection. Now let's talk about the application process. Step 1. Choose your program carefully. Step 2. Check eligibility requirements. Step 3. Prepare academic documents. Step 4. Apply directly through the university portal. Wall. Step 5. Wait for admission confirmation and proceed with visa application. Now, let's talk about visa process. Students need a residence permit for study purposes. This includes proof of admission, financial stability, health, insurance, and accommodation details. Michael spent weeks preparing documents carefully, and that preparation made his approval process smoother. Now let's talk about student life. Austria offers a high quality of life, safe cities, efficient public transport, strong cultural environment, and access to the entire Schengen region. But here's the challenge. Adaptation takes time. Cultural differences, language barriers, and academic expectations can feel overwhelming at first. Michael experienced this firsthand, but within months, he adjusted and built confidence. Now let's talk about job opportunities. International students can work part-time under certain conditions, and Austria offers pathways into internships and skilled work after graduation. But here's the insight. Networking plays a big role in career success. Now let's bring everything together. Studying in Austria is not about being perfect. It is about being prepared. Michael succeeded because he stopped overthinking and started planning. He researched universities properly. He prepared his documents carefully. And he understood eligibility before applying. And that made all the difference. Now the question is, what will you do? Because most students will watch this, feel inspired, and continue ignoring Austria because it feels unfamiliar. But a small group will act differently. They will research programs. They will check eligibility. They will start preparing early. And they will open doors that others never even considered. So here is your next step. Choose your field. Research Austrian universities. And start building your application strategy today. Because every decision you make now shapes your future opportunities. And if this guide helped you understand studying in Austria in 2026, make sure you subscribe. Because we are breaking down global study destinations, scholarship opportunities, and international education strategies that most students never hear about. Your future is not defined by where you start. It is defined by where you decide to go next. And now, you know exactly how to begin.